discuss about unseen passages, and I hope you will like this passage, useful, interesting for all of you. सबसे पहले मैं आपके लिए पैसेज पढ़ूंगा और इसका इंस्ट्रक्शंस क्या होते हैं उसके बारे में बताऊंगा. देन वी विल डिस्कस क्वेश्चंस एंड देयर आंसर्स. इसका इंस्ट्रक्शन इस प्रकार से आएगा. रीड द फॉलोइंग पैसेज केयरफुली एंड आंसर द क्वेश्चंस गिवन एट द एंड. पैसेज है, हेलन केलर aged 2 when an illness took away her sight and hearing. She was deaf. She also lost the ability to speak, for we learn to speak by imitating what we hear. So as a child, she lived in dark and silent world. At first, it seemed impossible that she would even understand others or be understood by them. Hers was thus a very lonely world. She was helped by a wonderful teacher called Miss Sullivan, who had herself been blind and as a child, but recovered her sight after an operation. Miss Sullivan volunteered to help Helen and taught her to speak, read, and write. She spent the rest of her life working to help the blind and the deaf. Now this is the passage. We will proceed towards the questions now. एक एक करके हम इसके प्रश्न और उनके आंसर्स को देखेंगे और आप ये जानेंगे कि कैसे इनके क्वेश्चंस का जवाब दिया जाता है. सो दिस इज योर क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. वी लर्न टू स्पीक बाय द हेल्प ऑफ आवर नर्सेस, imitating the help of our teachers. None of these. The answer is imitating. B. Next. Helen spent the rest of her life by serving the old people, the young boys and girls, the poor, the blind and deaf. The answer is D, the blind and deaf. Next, इन सभी क्वेश्चंस का आंसर आपको लिख कर देना है. तो ये 4 क्वेश्चन आएंगे आपके. सो द फर्स्ट इज, व्हेन डिड हेलन केलर become ill? The answer is, Helen Keller was ill at the age of 2. Next, what was impossible for Helen Keller at first? Answer is, it was impossible that she would understand others or be understood by them. Next, find out from the passage the word which means one who cannot hear. जो लाल में दिया गया उसका आंसर देना है. The answer is right, deaf. And the last, write the word from the passage which is opposite to possible. And the answer is impossible. तो ये हमारा पैसेज था और निश्चित रूप से आपने इसको समझा होगा. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.